Hi, my name is Natalia and I am the Master Trainer at LBA Professionals. Currently, I am the only brow senior trainer in Toronto and I am here to give you a couple tricks on how to perform brow lamination with our LBA Pro Kit. Clean the lashes properly prior to allow the solutions to work properly. Use a lash shampoo to remove makeup, oil, or sebums. Be soft. Try not to be too rough with the skin. Use the LBA Lash and Brow Kit. Take the lotion number 2 from the kit and add a considerate amount. Brush the hair to all the sides so the solution gets in between all the hairs. Place a cling film on top. This will help by keeping the hairs in place. Let it sit accordingly to the hair type. Remove the step number 2 and continue with step number 3. Take a decent amount and apply it all over the hairs. This time, you make sure the hairs are in the way you want them to set the eyebrows hairs. This is the step where we tell the brows how we want them to be. After doing both brows, put on top the cling film again and wait for the same amount of time as the prior step. Remove the lotion completely with a cotton pad and water. We just want to make sure that all of the solutions are off from the skin. Map the brows to give them the best shape. Wax them and remove the extra hairs. With the tweezers, you can remove anything extra that the wax didn't take off. Apply the desired tint and let it sit for the proper time. Remove the tint and add the last step, nourishing oil. This will allow the eyebrows to get moisture again. And voila! You have beautiful, perfect brows. Thank you for watching. Comment down below your questions and we will answer. Subscribe and click the bell button to get notified when we upload a new video. See you next time!